Hello everybody, my name is Connor and this is 1 Minute English. If you like this video, please subscribe below and I will make a lot more of these videos for you. Today we're going to try to use there, T-H-E-I-R, in a sentence. So let's go. Okay, so this word there is a possessive, let me get this right, possessive adjective, okay? So that means that something belongs to somebody, like my, right? Or your, okay? So that book belongs to their school. That could be an example of there in a sentence. Okay, so who are we talking about? Probably the kids, right? What about somebody's house, right? Their house is on the next street. There's another example, okay? It is different from this one there. Pronunciation is the same, but it has different meaning, okay? Kind of means something exists, right? There are 32 counties in Ireland, for example, okay? Kind of means that something exists.